We've been in the roofing business for over 20 years, and we've used all kinds of roofing products across multiple different facets, residential and commercial.
We've been using IKO for over 20 years. Big fan.
The first thing that comes to mind when I think about IKO products is the company itself, the individuals I've had the opportunity to work alongside. It starts with them and then going down into the actual products. It is just a marker of consistency. I know, my crews know, my foreman knows that once the IKO products roll onto the project site, they know exactly what to expect from the beginning of the project to the very end.
Our commercial team is absolutely in love with the IKO product. The fact that y'all have so many components already made up that are designed to work seamlessly with the system, just about any situation we run into in the field, we don't have to use any of the flashing to make our own special pieces. IKO's already thought ahead and got all those pieces made up for us.
We started in with the commercial a few years ago, and we had the opportunity to do a large job in Fort Wayne, Indiana, the Parkview Hospital with Fort Wayne Roofing and Tecta, and turned out wonderful.
The best thing about IKO is the commitment to providing a great product, the commitment to providing a great system to the customer, and the commitment to building a great relationship with both us as the subcontractor and the owner of the project.
I would be more than happy to recommend IKO to any of our roofing partners in the area across the United States as well as North America in general.